Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys tecno mobile setting, and in this video friends we will talk about guys how to change tecno mobile lock screen password. Friends, you want to change tecno mobile lock screen password. So friends, now let's see how to change tecno mobile lock screen password one by one and step by step we will talk about. So friends, in your tecno mobile you want to set new password on your lock screen, how to set password and how to change password. Friends, I have 6-digit password 654321 and I want to set new password on my lock screen. How to set? Open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your tecno mobile. So friends, in your tecno mobile, scroll down here, open your phone security setting. After turn on guys phone security setting friends, screen lock setting, we will tap here, enter your password. After enter password friends, you can see this type interface in your tecno mobile. Friends, in your tecno mobile, select your new password type and you can use it. So friends, I will use password name password lock. Friends, I will set. Remember your password and don't do any mistake. If you do mistake, you will have to forget your data. So friends, you will have to reset your phone. You will have to erase all data in your tecno mobile if you forget your password. So friends, I will enter my name password lock, and you won't use any number, so you can use number also. Next, remember your password, confirm your password. If you enter wrong password, so friends, you can see password do not match, try again, confirm. Password will set and password will change on your lock screen. Friends, if you off your tecno mobile and you want to unlock your tecno mobile, so you have alphanumeric password, pin lock password will remove, pattern lock password will remove, and name password lock will set on your lock screen. Enter your name password with your pin. Next, phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can use tecno mobile lock screen password setting. You can change your tecno mobile lock screen password. Again you want to change, so friends, open your phone security setting, open your phone screen lock setting, enter your password, and again you can change password in your tecno mobile. You can select new password type and you can update your password. Lock screen password you can change. Pattern lock you want to use. Next option, draw pattern for your lock screen and remember your pattern and use 4 dots pattern. If you 3 dot, so you cannot use. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.